guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Adorable One. How you guys are doing? I hope you are fine. If you are fine there, I am fine here. Welcome to my channel once again. Yes, today with me you can see 2 carrots. I am going to make carrot shower gel. Yes, carrot brighten the skin. It's lighten the skin and it's also nourish the skin. So that is what we are going to make today. Okay, so clean your carrots. After cleaning your carrot, cut it into a tiny pieces. After cutting it and into a tiny pieces, wash your carrot. Wash it thoroughly, let there be no any dirty. Okay, so it won't get bacteria into your product. After washing it, I'll put inside my blender to blend it. If you don't have blender, you can use your grater to grate it. It will still work the same work. Okay, I'm measuring my water 250 grams. I'm going to use 250 grams of water. I will add it into the carrots that I've already cut and I will blend it. So I will blend it, and then after blending it, use your chief cloth to extract the juice or the liquids from the carrot which we have blend, okay, which we have blend. Extract the juice. That is what we're going to make our shower gel. That is what we're going to use to make our shower gel. Okay, yes, you can see me. I am extracting the juice. Squeeze all the juice out of the carrot chaff. Then after that, we are going to measure our SLS as our cleaning agents. I will use SSL and I will also use cocoa betan to combine them together to get the lather that I want. So I'm going to measure my SLS. 50 grams. Yes, my SSL is 50 grams. And so please, if you have been watching me and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Turn on your notification bell because I know you are going to benefit a lot from this channel. Okay? Yes. So I've finished measuring my SSLs. I'm adding it into my carrot juice. I will use a double boiling method to resolve my SSLs. Okay? So I'm using double boiling method to melt the SSLs. Do not stay it too much so it won't cause bubble. You can see mine. Bubble have already come up. I'm going to keep it for it to cool down. By the time it cool down, the bubble will go down. Okay? Or the ladder will go down. You can choose to cover yours or you can leave it open for it to cool down to 40 degrees Celsius. But I will cover mine because I don't want any bacteria to get into it. So just keep it for it to thicken up and for it to cool down. If you want your gel to get more thicker, you can resolve your salt with warm water and put it. So I'm adding glycerin 50 grams. Okay, then next is going to be my cucumber extract. All these extracts are made by me. 50 grams cucumber extract, that is what I'm adding. Alright. Then I'm adding my honey. I like honey. Honey moisturizes the skin. It clears any dark circle. Okay? It can also lighten up any black spots if you use it continuously. Okay, so next will be my preservative. Preserve your product so it won't go bad. Not after wasting all your time to make product. At the end of the day, you now discover that the product has gone bad maybe within a week or 2 weeks. So, okay, so preserve your product. Then next, I'm adding my carrot extract. Carrot extract, I'm adding 50 grams. This carrot extract was made by me. If you need it, you can comment it on my comment section so that I teach us how to make it. Okay, yes. Then the mayonnaise, I'm going to add more product there. I am going to add the slow white oil. My slow white oil, I'm adding it 500 grams. 5 grams, sorry, 5 grams. Not 500, oh, it's 5 grams. So stir it very well. Let the whole ingredients combine together. Then next I'm adding my cocoa betan, 50 grams. That is also our cleaning agent. Now if you make soap at the end of the day, discover that it had no ladder, it won't clean dirty out of our skin. So you need to make your products, your soap to harder or to foam well. You can notice that the product has started getting thickened or is thickened already. It's thickened already. So I'm going to add my lavender essential oil. You can add any fragrance of your choice. So I'm going to add my lavender essential oil, 5 grams as well. 5 grams of my lavender essential oil. Okay, so say it very well. Look for your clean container where you will package your product. And so once again, if please you have been following me or you have been watching my video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. God bless you as you do so. Okay, so next is to look for clean container and package my product. I cover it and keep for like 2 hours to 3 hours for it to get the final consistency taken. So now I'm going to take my pH. You can dip your pH meter directly to the product and take your pH level, okay? But now I'm going to turn it into another container and add little water for it to resolve because they have already taken for me to get the pH. And so my pH come out to 5.5, which is perfect for the skin. Here's my pH come out 5.5. And so if your product has not taken, you can add the resolved salt with the warm water. Add it a bit by bit. While adding it, you keep stirring till your product get taken or your soap gel get taken, okay? So I'm going to package it with my clean container which I've washed and sanitized. Oh, I love this shower gel. No need to go and look for color. Your carrot will just give you the color that you want. Look at how lovely it looks like. It's going to give me 2 bottles and very little that 2 bottles and little left. Very little. Do this to economize your money. You can do it and give to someone as a gift. The person will appreciate you. Or you can do it and use it. Look at how lovely they are. I love this shower gel. This is going to cleanse any dirt from our body, from our systems, from our skin. So see you on my next video. Bye for now.